If you're anything like me, seeing unboxings of vintage car audio that's brand new is something that's pretty cool. Well, today you're in for a treat. Thanks to Old School Car Audio Restorations out of Rhode Island. Check link in the video description. We have some brand new in-box items from way back. Our first item is more than 40 years old from Sherwood. Let's unbox and see what's inside. And here we have it, the SCA2100 auto sound amplifier from Sherwood. I believe this is 1983 when this first came out. This is possibly one of Sherwood's first amplifier models, and it's pretty cool to find it in the original box. And you'll see we'll have the original paperwork and everything inside as well. On the box it does say it's bridgeable, which is unusual for an amplifier from the early 80s. But anyway, let's carefully pull it out, take a closer look and see what's inside. There is the owner's manual, as well as the reader's service card for your warranty. It came with an RCA cable, and here is the amplifier. This thing is chunky, 70 watts plus 70 watts, and again, very large in size. It reminds me of Alpine amps at this time as well. Here you can see made in Korea, and it just has these huge heatsink fans, and very cool looking. Now here's everything that came in the box. You can see we have some mounting screws. There is the box, the amplifier. And yeah, we'll take a closer look at this one soon. But what's next? What about some American Graffiti? Now this is one you don't see every day. In fact, I'd never seen this before, nor could I find anything on the internet about it. The American Graffiti ZSP 2.05 from 1998 is a 2-channel amplifier, 100 watts per channel, but check this thing out. Comes with the RCA extensions, comes with the manual of course, but look at this. This is an amplifier. Oh my gosh, looks like something the military might use, but no, this is a car audio amplifier. So cool. It comes with, of course, the manual, comes with a performance specification sheet, of course, the triangular shaped box, and the cylindrical amplifier. Man, I can't wait to check this one out soon. Next up, Blaupunk. That's right, from the early 2000s. Let's take a look at this one. Got to take a minute to give Mike some mad props for his packing skills and helping the amps arrive safely. Here we have the Blaupunk PA2100 from 2001. Tri-path amplifier using a Class T technology tri-path chip. You can see all the specs and stuff on the box here, including the removable face panels, which we'll show here when we open it up. Also the look here. There's so much information on the box. Again, I'll show more of this when we get the full video. But once we open it up here, we can see it does come with a large sheet, which is a burst sheet, and Betty tested this thing back in 2001. And then there's the manual, again, full size. And here's all the goodies that come with it. High level to low level adapter, remote gain control for the amplifier. And here's all the little face plates that you can change out on the amp. Whatever color suits your taste for the day, you can change that out. And of course we have the mounting screws as well. And we'll pull the amplifier out, much larger than I originally thought these were. It really is about the size of a den size head unit with the plastic casing surrounding it. But again, we're just kind of teasing you by showing the unboxings today. We will get a further in-depth analysis of this once we do full in-depth videos for each of these products we're showing. Again, this is just the unboxing. There's all the goodies that come with the amp. But next up, that's probably the most exciting for me, is a Rockwood. That's right. Let's see what's in this one. So if you know, you know. Rockwood, aka the king of flea market equipment, and this their largest amplifier, I believe the largest one they ever made. And we'll take a closer look at it here once we pull it out. Check out that beautiful purple finish. Yes, boy, we got to get into this. And yes, it was wrapped up in the original plastic with the original tape. The only thing we were missing, unfortunately, was the manual. But my research shows this came out around 1996. It's the Amp AMP1245X. And here is the graphics, the 1000 watts they promise you from this Rockwood amplifier, and the box. Now, just to tease again, we're going to show all these off in a future video, so you have to make sure you're subscribed. Go ahead and leave me a comment below which one you want to see first. What do you think about this 1000 watt Rockwood amp? How much is it going to put out? All this very exciting stuff. Leave your comment below. Till next time, Big D, I'm out of here.